Hey guys, it's Dee from San Remo. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change and upgrade your steam tap kit on a racer. Okay, there's a couple things you're going to need first. You're going to need a 40mm shifter, a 6mm spanner, some food temp, high temperature food grease, and also a kit itself. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need to take off the nut. So 40mm, like so. And then it should just be as quick as a pop off. Pull it out. Sure, yep, perfect. The whole kit will need to be replaced. So this will go in the bin. Your new kit, you need to make sure that you replace all the parts that come in your kit bag. So, So with your high temp grease, make sure it's food grade as well. You can get this from us if need be. On the brown O-ring. So spread it evenly around the brown O-ring, like so, and then pop it in. Yep. Next part would be taking off your activator. So that's where your 6mm comes in. Like so. So easiest way to do it, I always put this part in first, like so. Then I grab the large nut, 40mm nut, feed it down into the base, then screw your activator back on, like so. Tighten it slightly. You don't need to really tighten it down because you're gonna want to take this off when you do your next service kit. Pop it back on. Screw it back in. It really needs to be an easy screw back in. If it's too hard, stop, you'll cross thread it. Once it gets firm, all you want to do with your 40mm again is just nip it, like so. That's it, done. Activate, make sure it's all good. And that's how you do a steam tap kit, guys. Thanks.